Maxi. Maxi. Hey, Max. Hi, buddy. Hello, friends. Welcome to another Wednesday Quickie. If today is your first time visiting with us, I want to extend to you a very warm welcome and invite you to review any of our over 400 videos, as we are very confident that you're going to find something exciting and educational to watch. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe. If today is your birthday, I want to wish you a very happy birthday. So I'm going to show you in a moment or two the Google GPS, and then I will give you my closing thoughts. So as you can see here, we have the GPS Google Maps displayed on the Apple CarPlay system, which gives you a much better and bigger screen than you will otherwise have on your phone. You don't have to hold your phone, and your visibility is great, and you have all the functions that you will otherwise have in any GPS system, plus live updates that cost you nothing, and also traffic updates and automatic rerouting, which to me are really important things. I've been using now Google Maps with CarPlay for at least 4 weeks, and I must say I'm very impressed, and I cannot see myself spending the money to buy a GPS either built-in or an additional GPS for a car, one of those that stick to your windscreen or stick on your dashboard. I just cannot see myself do that because it simply doesn't worth it. This is a much better solution. It is really a fantastic option, and I think that it is the most economic and best option to have in your car if you need GPS navigation. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short episode for today, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Do remember that small kittens die when you use that option. Share, like, subscribe, and comment on our videos, and let us know what you want to see next. From everything I show you and my experience of driving over the last 4 weeks using Google Maps exclusively, I will unquestionably recommend this as an option instead of a standard GPS. It is very inexpensive. In fact, it costs you nothing. It is very up to date. Within a couple of days of a change on the road, you get the update on your maps, and also, even more important than that, you get live traffic and rerouting that you will have to pay extra for other GPSs, and it is much iffier than what I found the Google Maps to be. From the Garage Wizard and the Urban Homesteading channel, I want to bid you a great week, and we're going to see you on the weekend. Farewell, my friends.